Hey guys, it's Lauren here with the Pavement Ends channel. Well, I'm striking off solo today. My crazy Idaho friend, who shall remain nameless, has been dropped off at his residence, and then I am continuing on home by myself. My plan is I'll spend at least one more night out camping. So it's been a great trip. Thanks you guys for joining along. And now it's just a few things kind of to wrap up. As I make my way home, of course the goal is, as always, no freeways. 2-lane roads are tolerable, but we'd rather stick to the as far back as a back road can get. So it'll be nice to see some country on the way home. I'm mostly interested in taking my time. You know, there's times you kind of have to get home again and face Reelsville. But hey, it's really, really great to be able to get out here and see a few things in between. So like I say, the adventure's not over yet. We're gonna continue on. I'm gonna look for sights and take my tourist snaps, and you guys can go along. Thanks for coming. Okay, this was cool. I came around the corner and this guy was fighting with a squirrel. Well, I scared the squirrel away, and now he's just hanging around. Won't let himself be seen. This guy here, man, he's still ready for action. I was hoping to see him mix it up again. That squirrel is just too spooked, I think. But this guy, man, he's not letting it go. He is not letting it go. Come on, squirrel. I wonder what they were fighting over. I've never seen a squirrel and a grouse fight. I turned the motor off. Sorry about all the shaky and out of focus. I'm trying to work with my camera equipment. It's just tourist grade. It's like a little miniature turkey. I'll roll forward a little here. Oh, look at that guy. Strutting his stuff. I don't see that squirrel anymore. Nowhere. I probably really spooked him off. Oh man, there's somebody coming up the other direction. Yeah, I'm gonna have to roll out. Somebody's coming the other way. Sorry, dude. He's taking off, I can tell. Getting ready to bolt. See ya, dude. Thanks for the show. Well, hey, good morning, everybody. This is my final morning. I'm heading home. Had a late campsite last night. I'm sorry I didn't record anything. I got in pretty late and I was pretty tired and I just crawled right into bed. And I didn't feel I had anything to say at the time, so I didn't report much yesterday on my trip. So I've just a few more hours and I'll be home. And I just want to say thanks to all you guys for watching and supporting the way you have. I've enjoyed some of the positive comments. I really do appreciate those. And that's pretty well wraps it up. I saw some fantastic scenery. Oh man, it's the time went by so fast. I just can't believe how the time flies by when you're having fun. But I'm not complaining. It was great. I got to see, I mean, to just stand on the edge of, like, say, Hell's Canyon, for instance, to stand out there and look out over creation and just really take it all in is really something I think everybody should experience as often as they can. And it really is wonderful to be able to do that. And so far we still have the freedom to do so. So I'm thankful for that as well. Well, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this little series, or this little run, and we'll see you guys again soon out here on the back roads.